Hello! Today, I have this Yellowtail. This big thing for just 200 yen. Nice and fatty. Oishishou desu ne. And when you have a nice piece of fish like this, don't try to work too hard. Don't try to do too much. Put that herb on, season it this way, that way, let's cook it this way. Salt and grill. That's my recommendation. And just leave it like this for 15 minutes. Maybe 15 to 20 minutes when it's this thick. And you can see lots of water coming out from the fish. And this is just a paper towel. And this is not just to get rid of the moisture of the fish, but also the smell of the fish. Itadakimasu. Grilled fish and shochu. Kanpai. Ah, いいですね。非常にいいですね。うまい。あー、美味しい。Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.
Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.